gonna show you how to reprogram your flashlogic auto start bypass module. It's pretty simple to do. First, you need to locate it and find out where it's at. Mine was located under the dash. I reached under there under my steering wheel and I found it. But let me show you what to do. The first thing you want to do is make sure the vehicle is turned off. And then you want to unplug the black plug on the side that's located on the side with the LED. Then you want to press and hold the button on the side while plugging the black plug back in. So while you're holding the button, you want to plug that plug back in. Then after a few seconds, the light will start blinking red. Release the button. Then it will go back to blinking green once. Then press and hold the button and it will turn a solid green and go out. Now it's ready to learn the vehicle. So now you want to insert your key and turn it to the on position without starting the vehicle. The LED should flash green once. Then you want to turn the key off and you want to remove the key. Now insert the key back in and the LED will flash green, red for a few seconds. Then go to solid green and then it'll go out. Programming is done. Remove the key and test it, and you should be successful. If this You hear that? I'm gonna show you what's happening now. You've seen the previous video that I shot yesterday, but check it out now. Now my vehicle is programmed. That saved me a lot of money and time. So I appreciate everything. Subscribe to my channel and share this video. Thank you.